How to create this cool dripping letter effect. So once you have your text, just duplicate it by selecting the layer and hitting Ctrl or Command J. From here, press Ctrl or Command T to transform the new layer, then right-click and select Flip Vertical. This is going to be the text for the melt effect. Position the text wherever you want and merge the two text layers by selecting them and pressing Ctrl E. Now go to Filter, Liquify, and play around with the text to make it look like it's dripping down. You can also use the smudge tool to sell the effect better. And here's the effect. Now it's only the matter of improving it with layer blending options. You can use the gradient overlay or bevel and emboss to fine-tune the design and bring it to life.